Your bedroom should be your sanctuary, a place where you recharge, relax, and escape from the busy world outside. But when it's filled with clutter, piles of clothes, overstuffed drawers, and random bits and pieces, it starts to feel overwhelming instead of calming. Let's be honest, walking into a messy bedroom doesn't exactly make you feel at peace. And that's because clutter impacts more than just how your room looks. It affects how you feel. The good news? With a few simple steps, you can transform your bedroom into a clean, calm space that supports your mental well-being and sleep. Let's discuss the life-changing magic of decluttering your bedroom and how it can transform more than just your space. Why decluttering matters. A cluttered bedroom often leads to a cluttered mind. Psychological studies show that when a mess surrounds us, it becomes harder to focus, rest, or feel calm. Your brain is working harder than it should, constantly processing the visual noise. No wonder it isn't easy to relax. Decluttering removes that chaos. It clears your head, supports focus, and helps you feel more in control. But it's not just mental, it's physical too. A tidy bedroom means better airflow, fewer dust mites and allergens, and more room to move around comfortably. Plus, you save time when things are easy to find. A cleaner room leads to a clearer life. The emotional benefits of a tidy space. Waking up in a clean, calm room sets a better tone for the entire day. You start off feeling organised, not overwhelmed. And at night, it's easier to wind down in a space that feels peaceful rather than chaotic. Decluttering also sends a powerful message to yourself. I value this space and I value my well-being. This isn't just tidying. It's an act of self-care. It has a profound impact on your mood and mindset. How to declutter your bedroom in 7 simple steps. Decluttering doesn't have to be complicated. Let's break it down. 1. Start with the bed. Your bed is the centerpiece of your room. Make it each morning, and it instantly makes the space feel cleaner and more intentional. 2. Clear surfaces. Flat surfaces, such as bedside tables and dressers, tend to collect clutter. Clear away old receipts, empty bottles, or items that don't belong. Keep it minimal but meaningful. 3. Clean out your wardrobe. Clothes are often the primary source of bedroom mess. If you haven't worn something in the past year, consider donating or recycling it. Keep only what you love and use. 4. Use smart storage. Storage is key. Think underbed containers, baskets for blankets, or over-the-door organisers. Keep daily use items within easy reach and store the rest out of sight. 5. Simplify your decor. Too much decor creates visual clutter. Choose soft colours, calming textures, and just a few pieces that bring you joy. 6. Create zones. If your bedroom is used for work, reading, or hobbies, define clear zones for each purpose. This keeps things from blending into chaos and gives each activity its own space. 7. Tidy a little each day. Make it a habit. Spend 5 minutes each night putting things back in place. It'll save you hours later and keep your space feeling fresh. The sleep connection. Sleep is everything, and your bedroom plays a significant role in how well you rest. A cluttered room keeps your brain alert even when your body's tired. It's distracting and overstimulating. But a decluttered room tells your brain, it's time to relax. Soft lighting, clean surfaces, and an organised space help you switch off faster and sleep more deeply. And when you sleep better, everything in life feels easier, from your energy to your focus and your mood. Declutter today for a better tomorrow. Decluttering your bedroom is more than just tidying up. It's about reclaiming peace and tranquility. It's about creating a calm and welcoming space that supports your emotional, physical, and mental well-being. A place that helps you reset, not stress. And if the thought of tackling it all on your own feels too much, we've got you covered. At Clean House Melbourne, we help everyday people transform their homes into clutter-free, peaceful sanctuaries. Whether you need a one-time reset or regular support, our team is here to help.